Hello all. Today we're going to be doing a product review of Clear Glide by Ideal. This is wire pulling lubricant. Any electrician knows that you need this when you're pulling, especially long runs. So I'm going to show a couple of practical applications that I use this on, even some kind of unorthodox type ones. But this product, what I really like about it, it's equivalent to 4 quarts in 1 can of aerosol. I mean, this goes a long way rather than having all these other, buckets of lube or whatever in your van rolling around. This you can use over and over again. Shake it up. A nice nozzle. Stick down in the pipe. And it dries. It doesn't dry greasy like your average lube or whatever you put on. It's all over the wires and it's a mess. You got to clean it up. It's hard to terminate because it's all over. This dries clear. So it's, it's something that electricians need on the job, and I'm going to show you what I'm using it for on the job. And check out the link in the description. I'll leave the link for this if you want to get some for yourself. But this goes a long way. A little bit goes a long way with this Clear Glide, so it's amazing. So take a look at where I use it from. Okay, we're out here halfway to Vegas. Our project, putting in solar 600 feet. Well, we're going to need something. So that's to pull in the wire. So this Clear Glide aerosol wire pulling lubricant and an aerosol canister. So now when you go inside of the box, it's a lot easier than just to have to put soap in your hand and shove it in the pipe. So now we're just gonna, with this handy dandy nozzle, we just put it in the pipe and we can pull our wire in. As you can see, we're doing solar cable. So it's a lot thicker than the regular THHN or whatever we'd be using. So then you look in here, we can simply put the Clear Glide right in there, right in the pipe, and it's a lot easier to use. You don't have to throw it away either. It doesn't leak all over your truck or what have you. So, yeah, the Clear Glide's the way to go. All right, just shake it up. Put the end in the pipe. Doing this with one hand. Here we go. Put as much as I want. Just until it spills over. I'm ready to pull. Well, I apologize for the shaky video, but we're out here in rough conditions. Like I say, we're in the middle of the desert, halfway to Vegas. We got Cirque du Soleil coming on the other one, so we're going to need Clear Glide a lot. That big old giant superstructure in the background, we're going to need to do the same thing, but up on a 40-foot lift. So this one's with the M Casino, Cirque du Soleil, but Clear Glide, really saving us some aggravation. It's hard enough being in the middle of the desert, so we're 2 hours from Vegas, we're 2 hours from California to get any help. So when you got a lack of help, this Clear Glide is like another set of hands. So it's something that you definitely need, that's for absolutely sure. But yeah, this aerosol dries clean, dries clear. It's nice and soapy when you put it in, but it dries on the end. It dries really fast. So put it in right before your wire pull. You pull your stuff through, and then it's dry. Then you can send it the rest of the way up a pipe, up a wall, around the ceiling, what have you. So yeah, this is the stuff. Get you some from Ideal. I mean, I can't say very much more. You just shake it up, and you just keep on shaking it. It works forever. Let's see, 4 quarts to 1 can. That's a lot. 4 quarts to 1 can. The lubricant. So yeah, you got to get you one. So check out the link in the description, and I'll leave it there for you, and you can get your Clear Glide from my. See, now with this Clear Glide, there's multiple uses for it. It's not that it just comes in an aerosol can. It's that it dries clean. You don't have that residue build up on your wire. So you're pulling it, your hands slip off of it. You're going through a conduit, a fitting, something or other. We're out here in the middle of the desert. So there's no running to Home Depot or what have you. You need something like the Clear Glide aerosol. So what we're doing is we're installing what is called a heater system. So in order to fit this banner in the slot, we use a Clear Glide and install it inside of there, so we can slide the banner in a lot easier. So inside this heater system, put our Clear Glide inside there, squirt it all the way down, because this plastic up to these sharp edges it just catches on all of it. As you can see, the little gouges running up and down it. So that's where we need this for that. So what else we're doing with this? So this is our front banner for the M Resort Casino. Of course, ideal and clear glide, big part of that. We're working our way around, and here we are, trying to get the bigger banner in. So what we did here, put the clear glide indicator system, and then run our fish tape in. Fish tape's a little rough, and so's the inside of there. So we need it on the fish tape, not only with the wire, but you need it on the fish tape as well to pull it through. It's just a bear. But